रिस्ट्रिक्शन, हाँ इनसिक्योरिटी आई थिंक काफ़ी हद तक टेक्निकली नहीं होती बिकॉज द वेबसाइट हैज़ बट इमोशनली जहाँ पे इंडियन फैमिलीज होते हैं जब रिश्ते की बात आती है इमोशनली वहाँ जुड़ना है वहाँ पर मुझे लगता है कि अपने बेटा सारे इमोशनली वो अपने बच्चों को सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं और इस रिश्ते को समझने के और डिसीजन लेने के लिए वक्त दे सकते हैं। किसी के बारे में जानना है या थोड़ा सा भी इंटरेस्ट पैदा होता है सबसे पहले वो उनके फेसबुक अकाउंट पे जाते हैं तो ऑब्वियसली ना मतलब वो ज़माना गया कि वहाँ पे उस लड़की को फॉलो करना और चिट्ठियाँ देना वो सब ज़माना गया एंड आई थिंक जहाँ पे जैसे मैंने लव विभाग की वेबसाइट में भी देखा चैट की फैसिलिटीज़ है तो आप कहीं ना कहीं कैंडिडेट हो जाते हो और फिर कैंडिडेटनेस होना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है किसी रिश्ते की शुरुआत में। नहीं मैं बस बैठ के सोचती थी मैं वाकई सोचती थी क्योंकि मैं कितने फ्रेंड्स को जानती हूँ कितने रिलेटिव्स को जानती हूँ अच्छी लड़कियाँ हैं सुंदर लड़कियाँ हैं एम्बिशियस हैं बट उन्हें वो पार्टनर नहीं मिल रहा और उन्हें लगता है कि मुझ में कोई कमी नहीं है मुझे वो पार्टनर क्यों नहीं मिल रहा है और कोई पसंद ही नहीं आ रहा है इतनी बड़ी समस्या है ये वाकई में अगर आप देखते जाओ कि आजकल ना लड़कों को परफेक्ट पार्टनर मिलते हैं ना लड़कियों को तो ये अगर खुलकर एक दूसरे के सामने आए हम प्रोफेशनल तरीके से और एक्सप्लोर करना चाहें इट्स अ फैंटास्टिक वे लव विवाह ने जो की शुरुआत की है ये द्वार आज खुला है वेबसाइट खुला है की वेबसाइट
Thank you. So, there's one. Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Life with the simplicity because the something like that you are not in that regard you are rather visiting the eyes of the world as get back to the end.
Thank you.
Sometimes the most difficult in a relationship is understanding without saying. And that's so wonderful if you can find that in a relationship where you just look at someone and you know you're uncomfortable. You don't have to say small things. So yeah. Besides factors like love, trust.
I request only media people, media personnel to be on this level. आप सभी से रिक्वेस्ट है कि अभी थोड़ा सा वेट करें सिर्फ मीडिया की जो
Second generation actors, so without having any support from anyone the next part about this about my journey has been that work has been this far. I never had to chase or fight. When I was still young, I never realized that some of the ads that I tried to do, like the ad, was so famous that big directors like Rajkumar Santoshi, Saurabh Aman, they would all notice me and approach me to be an actress in their film. I never thought you're being projected. It's just for that part. It's not because you have something basically. No, not really. Like I said, I mean, I think 99% of the times I used to just walk into the audition and bag but yet, even if that one ad film that I auditioned for and I didn't get, I would feel the pressure like, oh my god, was I bad? What did I do? Why did I not get it? Why did they not like me? Was the bigger question. So I would like to tell everyone that it's not about liking me, it's about Okay, so I wanted to be the first actress in my generation of actresses to be on television, and that dream came true because I know that TV is big. It's bigger than films because ultimately films have to depend on TV for recall value and reconnect with the audience all the time. TV has all the budgets. Right now, what it doesn't have is
रिकॉर्ड होगा आवाज आ रहा है कैन यू टेक क्लोजर
So how does the idea came to start?
Same thing which I've been telling, like this is a big industry. Nobody has seriously tapped this industry. We have some players, small and big, but everybody is like very superficial. Nobody has seriously looked into this whole thing. This is a huge industry. Everybody wants to get married all over the world. No matter what religion is, community, age, doesn't matter. And it was high time this industry needed some mature solution. And we are expert in IT and software. We are doing these for so many other clients in US. So we thought, why not we bring our expertise into this and make something which is really long-term.
Okay, so are you planning to launch any application for this, like Android and iOS?
Yeah, we are planning Android, we are planning iPhone. We are not only planning just the application, we are planning to launch application in local languages. Kannada, Malayalam, Telugu, Tamil, Gujarati, all possible languages.
Okay, so currently you are providing services in India only. So are you planning overseas as well?
We are already doing worldwide. It's not just India, we are doing India, US, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, all the places where NRI is there.
Okay. So what is the current traction details? Like how many users are currently registered on your platform?
250,000 plus.
Okay.
250,000, more than 250,000.
So what is the next big thing in the pipeline for this year? So
This year we plan to make it at least, we have about a month and a half left. So we are hoping to make it double by 5 lakhs by end of this year. Because all these users we have done without any media, any marketing, any promotions. So now we'll be launching, as we launch the product today, we'll be going into the market in a full way. So we hope to expand very soon.
So do you have any marketing plans?
Yeah, we have everything already chalked out, digital media, print media, TV, social media. We have all the plans and everything would be rolling in the background today as we are doing this launch.
Okay, so how big is your team right now? Like how many employees?
We are a team of about 150 people right now and we'll be expanding soon.
So islovivah.com is currently bootstrapped, right?
Yes.
So are you planning to raise any funding now for expansion and
Not now because as I said, it's owned by the parent company, Tanisha System, which is based in USA. So we do not have any issues about the funding as of now. And Tanisha System is about a 14-year-old IT company, very well known in US. And but we'll see down the line.
Okay, so my last question is, where do you want to see lovevivah.com after 5 or 6 years?
We want to be the number one.
Okay, thank you so much and nice to meet you.
सॉरी
कोई नहीं।
खाना खाते हैं पहले, चलो भूख लग रही है। हो गया? हो गया?
दे दो बाजू वाटर और चेयर दे दो भाई, दो चेयर और दे दीजिए। Most important person.
Thank you, thanks a lot. One second.
हाँ, आ गया।
एक रिक्वेस्ट है, गेस्ट का मगर मैसेज बाहर में आ रहा है, एक रिक्वेस्ट है।